Hey everyone, what's up? I'm your host, TheJuan&Only, and Bandaholics, this one is for you. I got a super special video for you all today, so consider it a trip down memory lane. Today, we'll be taking a look at a now discontinued line of Apple Watch bands. Only the true OGs remember this era, and if you're new into the world of band collecting, chances are you may not even know these bands ever existed. I'm talking about Apple's official classic buckle leather bands. When they were available directly through Apple, they came in with a pretty hefty price tag, coming in at $149 a pop for both sizes. When the Apple Watch first debuted, this band aimed to provide a more sophisticated and classier look, hence the name Classic Buckle. It made the Apple Watch look a lot more like a classic watch versus a smartwatch gadget with a sport band. It definitely elevates the watch to a whole new level, and it's a shame that this timeless style isn't sold anymore. However, you still are able to find a few here and there through third-party resellers, but they're starting to get rarer and rarer with each passing year. Get ready to explore the beauty and craftsmanship of the classic buckle leather bands for the Apple Watch. Join me as I showcase this premium accessory on a variety of watch casing colors and materials, while also uncovering the intriguing history behind this iconic band. Don't miss out on this chance to discover why the classic buckle is a highly sought after item that has stood the test of time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as this is the go-to channel for all things Apple Watch and anything tech related. This will be a quick one, but nonetheless, I'm super stoked, so without further ado, let's get started. Welcome everyone to a trip down memory lane with the classic buckle leather band for the Apple Watch. With its initial debut price of $149, this band harkens back to the early days of the Apple Watch and its humble beginnings. Originally marketed for the 42mm and 38mm Apple Watches, long before the displays were enlarged, the band still bears the 42mm branding on its underside, or 38mm if you happen to pick those up. One thing that may immediately stand out to you is that it came in a variety of colors, and not just your traditional leather colors such as saddle brown, black, or taupe. As you can see, with a range of bright hues including energetic pinks and flashy yellows, there was a color for just about everyone. However, due to the natural leather material, the patina process set in after just a few uses. As many of you may know, leather changes color and morphs over time, and brighter colors like yellow tend to age very poorly, appearing almost dirty in nature. In contrast, classic leather colors like brown or black age beautifully, acquiring a unique patina that only adds to their charm. It is important to note that the underside of every one of these bands featured that classic saddle brown-like color. Not that it ever mattered, seeing as almost nobody ever could see the underside when you had the band installed on your Apple Watch anyway. Apple has always been known for their attention to detail, and the classic buckle band for the Apple Watch is no exception. What many band enthusiasts may not realize is that there was actually two variants of this iconic style. The original design featured a pill-shaped buckle similar to the one found on woven nylon bands, while the newer versions, introduced in the spring of 2018, featured a more square-shaped stainless steel buckle that was spring-loaded for easy installation. Additionally, the craftsmanship on these bands is top-notch, and that's exactly what you'd expect when dropping 149 big ones for a stinking watch band. You can see the stitching that surrounds the perimeter of the top side is color matched and looks extremely clean. I do have one small nitpick, and that is the classic buckle, unfortunately, is limited to silver stainless steel lugs. This gives it a polished and ultra seamless look when paired with the silver stainless steel Apple Watch, but the same cannot be said for the space black or really any other casing material such as aluminum or ceramic. While some people might not mind this, others might find it unappealing. I used to think mismatched lugs looked really tacky, but over the years I really don't seem to mind anymore. While it's not a make or break issue, I would definitely have loved if Apple provided a few options with space black lugs to better match darker casing colors and materials. Now, as far as wearability and durability, you gotta remember this is leather, so jumping into a pool or showering with one of these is absolutely a no-go. On the wrist, the band is extremely lightweight and the leather used is of course of great quality. This leather doesn't reach as high of a pristine level as something like the Hermes offerings, but nonetheless the band holds up extremely well over time. One thing to note about the classic buckle is that its leather material tends to be on the stiffer side, which may take some time to break in. If you do choose to wear it regularly, you can expect it to soften up over time due to the natural elements it's exposed to. However, it's important to keep in mind that leather is known to morph and change sometimes due to the patina process I mentioned earlier, which can result in some discoloration. As someone who owns nearly 500 plus original Apple Watch bands, I tend to wear my classic buckles very sparingly to preserve their quality, seeing as how they are now discontinued. Which, speaking of, the classic buckle bands were axed from Apple's official lineup in the spring of 2018, with the final batch being released at that time. Since then, Apple has not brought them back, and the reasons for this are unclear. Some speculate it could be due to low sales, the really high price tag, replacement with other styles, or the success of Apple's leather Hermes offerings. Despite this, the bands have stood the test of time and remain one of my all-time favorite styles. In a world where fashion trends come and go, the classic buckle bands remain a timeless and reliable accessory that never goes out of style. Crafted with genuine leather, stainless steel buckles, and precise stitching, these bands offer a perfect balance of comfort, durability, and, most importantly, aesthetics. Whether you wear them to work, to a casual outing, or to a formal event, the classic buckle bands are sure to enhance your look and impress those around you. It strays away from seeming like a mere gadget and transforms the Apple Watch into a fashionable timepiece suitable for any and all occasions. This is the kind of band you'd slap on for an important business meeting with a client, maybe when going out on a date, or for casual settings such as a family barbecue. But like I said, this is not the kind of band you want to wear when working out, as the leather will age even quicker. But guys, I want to know what you guys think. If you own an official classic buckle band, tell me your thoughts and opinions down below. They may have been pricey when they were available, but man, I am in love with the look and feel of this style of band, and I'm sure I'm not alone. In any case, guys, don't forget to drop a like on this video, as it helps other band lovers discover my channel. And if you consider yourself a bandaholic, consider joining our Discord server called Club 9. It's a safe space to discuss all things Apple Watch and tech. Well guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to drink some water to stay hydrated, and with that, I'm clocking out for now, but I cannot wait to catch you all in my next video.